So this is a little embarrassing. Turns out this whole past year I have been eating unripe persimmon, which, according to the people who know, it's completely inedible, which I beg to differ. I have been at least partially edibling it this whole time. I should have been eating ripe persimmon. Why do they sell unripe persimmon at the grocery store? Can anyone answer that for me? No? No? No one in the comments? Why didn't you guys tell me it wasn't ripe in the comments? Guys, 52 videos have passed by. Anyone? No? Well, let's have this one. It's actually not that bad. It's kind of sweet. Kind of like a really subtle cantaloupe flavor. Yeah, I could eat this.
Jory's been on a mission for the whole year before he realized that he was just eating unripe persimmons the whole time. Jory's been on a mission for an entire year with his YouTube channel, and none of that time did he bother to just Google it. It would have came up pretty quickly. Jory's been on a mission eating persimmons, and then he finally went ahead and gave it a Google.
I like it.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah.